so called.
Step on those weird, pointy rocks. These rocks. Ow! Do not step on these rocks! Step aside, Carol. Hello? Nobody's listening. Nobody's listening. You cannot walk on those. Well, those are champs to survive in the world. Okay.
A few moments later. Six and a half hours later. Years later. Seconds later.
Some kids, they're about to come down the slide. I want to watch the kids come down. Kids, huh? So you want to watch them come down the slide? I will show you how to come down the slide. Oh, no, really.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have a 300-pound weight limit.
I wasn't carrying 300 pounds. I was 165. How are you carrying?
That was awesome. What's that?
It's restitution. I'm going to show you now where I slap.
We face each other, let's go every time.
Sports medals, round takes, no weapons, secure against your own.
You mean you'll put down your rock and I'll put down my sword and try and kill each other like civilized people?
I can tell you in the hour.
Frankly, I think the odds are slightly in your favor at a hand fighting.
Some rifle being the biggest and the strongest. Now that we arrange this virus.
fiddling around with me or what?
I just want you to feel you very well. I hate for people to die embarrassed.
You're correct. Good thing, too.
Well, you're well asked. Were you embarrassed or something like that?
Oh, no, it's just so terribly comfortable. I think everyone will be wearing them in the future.
I'm just thrilled when you give me so much trouble.
Why is that? Do you think?
Well, I was slept just one person for so long. Especially in homes. I think gangs for local anxieties, that kind of thing.
Why should that make such a difference?
Well, you see, you use different moves when you're fighting. After those people, when we run in, have to do it.
Not know how to raise children properly.
Daddy, can you make me dinner, please?
Shut up, I won't make you dinner. You go make dinner yourself. Okay, once again, don't hit babies. Actually, just don't hit anyone, okay, because it's not good. It's what's the TV show now?
Are you beautiful? Yes, I am beautiful.
Hello.
And you pull me up. You said I was, beautiful. I'm always beautiful.
What? Why is she crying?
You said, are you beautiful? And I said, and I was almost going to say, she's thinking I'm not beautiful.
She's crying because the person behind the camera asked that she thinks she's beautiful.
Of course I'm beautiful. Why don't you think I'm beautiful?
Like she starts running away, and this cameraman is just chasing her around. He's like, "Come on, little girl, I need to film you, okay? This is my job, I gotta film you." She's screaming, "Get away from me!" Okay, Jesus Christ! Here, go run to your daddy. Look at this bastard, okay? This I have no respect for this guy.
You're not getting me just get her to stop. I won't let you to stay alive. Are you okay? Are you okay? You're running away from my babysitter because you're trying to take her. That's not true. Yes, it is. That's not true. Yes, it is. I love him. Yeah, you are. I love him. Lucas, are you okay? Everything kind of fine. No, it's okay. Now, I'm gonna hate him. We have the Molly we can give him. No! He's probably just gonna try and have sexual arrest. Call an ambulance! Let's just go for it. We'll get busted. Do you even have insurance? I don't know. Do you? I don't know. I think I only have a deductible. It's hurting. It's happens to MMA fighters all the time. You just gotta ram your arm into something very hard so it pops back in place. Fine! Let's just get this out of the way. Ow! Easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, new site. Okay. I don't get those drugs, I'm gonna be grounded, and then I'll never get to kiss Princely. Max, what are you doing? We sell drugs. We came here to buy them, so now you're gonna sell us the drugs. Do not test me!
Just drop the charges.
Oh, God!